Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. And today we're going to go over the differences between going in the front and back loops of crochet. So I have here 3 different swatches of doing the single crochet just to show you the differences between your hook placement. So here is the standard single crochet. Here is when you do your single crochet in the front loop. And here's an example of when you do that single crochet in the back loop. So I just wanted to point out the vast differences you'll get with your hook placement. So knowing where you're going when you're instructed to do the crochet technique is very important. So what you'll need for this technique is your yarn and your crochet hook. So grab those 2 things, come on back, and you'll get to learn how to go through the front and back loop while doing the single crochet. All right, so let's start off by identifying the parts of your stitch. So as you can see here, you have the legs of the stitch. There's 2 legs to each stitch, okay? So you have your front leg, which is the leg that's closest to you, pointing in your direction. And then you have the back leg, which is facing away from you, okay? So we're going to go in the front and back loops. So this applies for if you're doing single crochet, like what we'll be doing today, double crochet, treble crochet, and so on, okay? So let me get my yarn together here. So let's say we want to go in the front loop of your stitch, okay? So that's going to be the loop that's closest to you. So for single crochet, you're just going to go in your stitch like this. That's your front loop. Yarn over, pull through. Should have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through, okay? So that would be in the front loop. So let's do that one more time. Identify where your front loop is. That's this leg here. Go right in, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through, okay? So that's how you would go if you were asked to do the front loop of crochet, single crochet. So let's say you were asked to go through the back loop of your stitch, okay? So we now know that this is your front leg. So the leg that's pointing away from you is going to be your back leg. So this would leave your front leg unworked. So for single crochet, you're just going to go right into that part of the stitch here, your back loop, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. And again, just to reiterate, that applies if you're doing a double crochet, a triple crochet, or anything else. That is going to be your landmark, the back loop. So let's just do it one more time for the single crochet and the back loop. You just go right in, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, okay? And again, that leaves your front loop unworked. And that will give you your rib look like you see here, okay? So practice that, and I'll show you the swatches one more time so you'll have something for reference as you're practicing. So there you have it, guys. Here are the 2 samples once again so that you can see them for your reference. We have the front loop crochet and then we have the back loop crochet. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe so this gets out to others that want to learn the technique as well. And if you want to watch more tutorials, YouTube thinks that you'll like this video. So stay tuned for that. Happy crocheting!